Hey everyone, Mauricio here with Fanpage Magic. Thank you for joining us. This is going to be our first video tutorial. We're just going to start with the basics. Figure we do how to create a Facebook fan page. This may be a little bit too elementary for you guys, but for those of you that's not, by all means, this is what we're here for. I'd like to get, as we sort of build a community, I'd love to get an idea of what is it that you guys want. If you guys are more on this sort of level, or if you want something a little bit more advanced, just let us know. But let's start from here. To create a Facebook fan page, excuse me, the first thing to create a Facebook fan page, you must have a personal Facebook account. The way I like to say this is a typical brick and mortar business. You have to have a key to get in. Anybody can use your key. You can loan it to your manager, to your neighbor, to your accountant, but you have to have a key to get in. So in order to have a Facebook fan page, you must have a personal account. So if you don't already have one, you can create it all from here, but basically facebook.com. Bottom right hand corner, you're going to see create a page. So you're going to go in here. And then on the right hand side is create official page. I'm assuming most of you guys will be a local business. We'll get a little further into the difference between a brand, a product, and a local business. But drop down menu, what sort of industry you're in. So let's just, I'm just going to create one here for a vehicle service. And I'm going to name this Tom's Automotive. Click on here saying you're the official representative for this page. Make sure the name is one word. It will not take apostrophes. It's not going to take spaces. So actually, I believe it does take a space, but once you do that, create your Facebook fan page, and it's going to go in this area here, and this is where, if you do not already have a Facebook account, you can sign up with a simple email, password, date of birth, or if you've already got one, we're just going to sign in. Once you're logged in, that's it. I mean, you've basically got your Facebook page created. Right here on the left hand side, you can write something about Tom's Automotive, and it's just, you know, family owned. You guys write whatever you need on there. I don't need to waste your time in going through an entire sentence. You guys want to do that, of course, like your page. And then what you're going to want to do is upload an image. So you can either do it here where it says upload an image, or you can do up here change picture. We're going to go up here. Choose a file from your desktop. I've already got one saved here. So once we choose that, it's going to upload the picture. Come up here, and at that point, you've got your picture uploaded. You can go on to the next area. The next thing you want to do is edit your info tab. Of course, once you click on that, you see here, right-hand side, edit information, address. I don't need to go through it. You guys know what an address is. Type in your name, address, zip code, phone number, so on and so forth. Hours of operation. This is a neat little feature down here. If you're a restaurant or maybe a chiropractor where you have 2 sets of hours, you can specify those here. So, you know, if you're from 9 to 2 and then 4 to 7, so on and so forth. But if not, we can just do, let's see, 8 a.m. to, I would say 6 p.m. is a typical mechanic hour. So you do that. Of course, go through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. If you happen to be closed on a certain day, just unclick that box, and that'll save those changes. And then you're going to want to put your website in here. And then this is just default information. You don't have to click on it if you have a parking lot, or if it's street valet, free parking, so on and so forth. Down here, if this does not relate to you, if you're not in an area where public transportation relates, you can write something about your business here. You know, once again, family owned, so on and so forth, blah, blah, blah. Save your changes. And once you hit that, you get done editing, and you'll see what it looks like. So of course, have your hours. If you did Monday through Friday, it'll show all the hours, and then it's going to show public transit. We didn't fill in a website, but if we did, it would show up on here. If you ever need to make changes to it, you edit your information here. That's it, and there's your wall. And if you just, you know, first thing you first want to do is make an introduction. Hello world, thanks for joining us, or whatever you guys want to put up. Share that. It's going to go out to your fans. Right now, of course, you're going to be your only fan, but this is how we get the Facebook fan page started. So if you guys have any questions at all, please let us know on our wall. As I mentioned, I want to make these as simple as they need to be, or as complex as they need to be. I just need to get feedback from you guys as to what kind of video tutorials you guys would like to see. But the first one is, of course, just very basic. How to create a Facebook fan page in under 5 minutes is what we call this one. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Take care.